In 1975, the United Nations General Assembly, over strong objection from the United States, adopted Resolution 3379, which classified Zionism as a form of racism. In PruneYard Shopping Center versus Robbins, issues related to a peaceful protest against that resolution made their way to the United States Supreme Court. A group of Campbell, California high school students, including Robbins, went to PruneYard Shopping Center to distribute literature and promote a petition opposing Resolution 3379. A security guard soon approached the students and informed them that PruneYard policy prohibited all such non-commercial activities and asked the students to move to an exterior public sidewalk. The students complied. The students later filed suit in California Superior Court seeking an injunction against enforcement of PruneYard's policies. The trial court denied the request, and the California Court of Appeal affirmed. The California Supreme Court reversed and held that the California Constitution protects free expression even in a privately owned shopping center. PruneYard appealed, and the United States Supreme Court granted cert.